What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C. Nashti, Mr. Never Ashamed So Honesty. Thank yourself. Hope everybody's having a good day. I'm having an alright day. You see where I'm at. I'm in the heart of nature. I'm feeling good, baby. I'm feeling good. But listen, I know there's some people that are not feeling good today. I know there's some empathic beings that are in the midst of turmoil due to the simple fact that they have no idea how this energy, how the empathic energy is playing out within them. And guess what? Your boy C. Nashti is here to explain what is going on. Empaths, you have to understand the power that's held within you. Me, I didn't know about the abilities that I had prior to my journey, prior to my spiritual awakening. I wasn't aware of, the vocabulary that these things have. I didn't know what an empath was, empathic being. I never heard of that stuff. But then I had to do the research, and I realized that I was an empath and I was an empathic being. And, I, as an empath, I'm absorbing. All right, let me give you the definition of an empath. An empath is someone, let me tell you what an empath is. Let me start by there. Let me start by giving you the rundown of what an empath is and what an empath could expect in their life and on their journey. An empath is a person who has the ability to feel, absorb, and mirror the energy of another being. Why you say that, C. Nashti? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Empaths, you have the ability to absorb, mirror the energies of people around you. What does that mean? If somebody around you has the feelings of depression, anxiety, sadness, you as an empathic, energetic being has the ability to feel what those emotions feel like. Even if you're not going through what that person is going through, you have the ability to feel exactly what that person is feeling. If this person, let's say your boy is about to get locked up in 10 days. He's having all this anxiety. He's feeling the rush of, I'm about to give my freedom up. You hanging around this person every day, you will not know. You hanging around this person every day, you will not know the reasons why you start feeling the feelings of the anxiety, the feelings of your freedom being taken away from you, the feelings of feeling tired, exhausted, anxiety, all those things. You are absorbing that energy that your friend, your little evil twin buddy, is giving off. You get what I'm saying? We're all energy. Everything is just energy in motion, emotions. When your friend lets off these emotions, you are able to pick them up, absorb them, harbor them, and then mirror them back out to, your friend or the person you're talking to. You're able to mirror the same energy out to the person to make them feel comfortable, to make them feel. It depends on how you want to make the person feel at the time. If you want to make the person feel the same energy that they're giving off to you, that's what an empathic being does. Empaths, we have the tendency to be really, really hard on ourselves. And that's what this whole video is actually about. It's getting a little chilly. I'm going to go in the car. That's actually what this video is about, chosen ones, empaths. Is you can't be hard on yourself, empaths. You see, when your friend comes to you and he has this issues, they have the issues, a girlfriend or whatever, they have issues, they have problems, they have trials, tribulations that they're going through. You're able to feel those emotions, work through them, since you've been through it already, work through them and give the person the proper analysis, the proper advice for them to pick themselves up out of, the depressing moments that they are in. But empaths, what we have a tendency to do is, when we are having our own hard times, when we are having our own moments of turmoil and all this regression, we have nobody to fall back on. We have nobody to reach out to. We have nobody that is an empath that could heal, nurture, give us the words that we need at the time. You get what I'm saying? Or even just the feelings at the time. Empaths, you have to do it for yourself. You get what I'm saying? This is something I had to learn on my journey also, is that I had to be the empath for myself. You get what I'm saying? I would always be hard on myself. I would be analytical of myself. I'm a Virgo, so of course I'm gonna always analyze myself and be hard on myself, but I would take it to the furthest extent that I would lose myself in those thoughts. I would lose myself in my actions, and I would not give myself the same empathy I would give to random people. I would give to people that I know, people that I love. I would not give my own self that same empathy. I had to learn, I had to stop being hard on myself, and I needed to be soft-spoken with myself, as I am with other people. With other people, I would help them through their problems. I would give them the advice they need. I would tell them it'll be okay. I'll be the shoulder to cry on. And when I didn't have it, I would be pissed. I would be depressed. I would be sad. Like, damn, I'm there for everybody. Nobody's there for me. But what I learned is, empath, you have to do it for yourself. That's the trick. You have to do it for yourself. That voice in your head that is calming and soothing at those moments when you're really going through the trials, when you're really going through the pain and agony of just day-to-day life. You have to give yourself the soft voice. You have to put that soft voice in your head and then make it vibrate through the soul, make it vibrate through your bones. You know what I'm saying? So you can heal yourself. Because right now, nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's coming to help you. Nobody's coming to heal you. We're living in a very, very, very messed up time. And one day it will change. But until then, you have to soldier up and be there for yourself. And love yourself. Because nobody else is going to love you like you love yourself. Empaths, chosen ones, nobody's gonna love you like you love yourself. Nobody's gonna love you like how I love you too. You know what I'm saying? I'm on here just giving my empathic advice, for somebody who's going through the same things I had to go through, and same things that I still go through to this day. And I just have to fight. Life is challenging, empaths, but we're up for the challenge. God gave us the tools. He gave us the abilities, and we have to use them to its full capabilities. I don't know what else I have to say. I don't want to start rambling, going on 10 minutes. So, I guess I'll just hit you with the outro. I hope somebody's still listening. Listen, if you like the video, hit the like button. It's not that hard. It really is not. You just gotta and they even do like a little confetti thing, a little thing for you to just press it. Come on, press it. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Sinashti. Subscribe to the channel. I got about 470 videos of high level consciousness conversations that we can have together. I don't got nobody to talk to. I'm talking to a camera. Hoping that somebody could feel the message. Hit me in the comment section, man. Hit me with a what up, my boy. Let me know you're in the building. It's a very, very lonely road we're on. You know what I'm saying? And that little bit of just those words alone really, I find my life in the comment section, people. You know what I'm saying? Here comes the outro. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinosh, the Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Love you. I love me too. One love.